Number 3, this grasping the bird's tail sequence follows turn and chop opponent with fist. Step up, deflect downward, and punch. So after I've done turn and chop opponent with fist, step up, deflect downward, and punch. Okay, now grasping the bird's tail. Ward off left. Right push upward. Roll back. Press. And push. All right, so Susan, if you'd come back. So following step up, deflect downward, and punch, Susan grabs me. So what I'm going to do is, she's holding on, you see, and as I withdraw, you see how she's pulled forward. I take this off and just make a little slapping, ponging, hitting motion up towards her face. This is what we're going to call ward off left. So I'm withdrawing, at the same time I'm pulling in slightly, and then ponger. Which she blocks, pongs upward. She pongs to protect herself. Ward off left. Now, as she's in a pretty good shape, protected, what I'm going to do here is take her energy and pull her down. It's just a straight pull down and step in. I'm behind her, I'm close to her. You see? And then I'm going to use ward off to the right by just pushing her out of the way. Ward off left, I hit, she blocks. I pull her down, step in, and push her away, which she just rebounds and punches, comes back with a punch to my center. Bam. Ward off left, right push upwards. See? So I'm here. So at this stage, I just neutralize back, turning. Always turning with the punch. I get my other hand in here. Now she's a little bit leaning forward. What I'm going to do is apply a quick smash, what we call a press, into her center. It's just, this hand is basically just folding in. And this adds extra hit down. This is called press. Ward off left, ward off right, press. And then as I'm pushing down, I'm a little exposed here. She empties and strikes my ears with both of her fists. Strike opponent's ears with both fists. Good. So as she does that, I just gather her in. See, it doesn't take much, and off she goes. So the sequence. Ward off left, ward off right, roll back, press, and push. Okay, let me do that sequence one more time. She grabs, I knock off, and follow with a hit up. She blocks, I pull her down. Step in and using the shoulder, throw her away. She returns with a punch to the center, which I neutralize. Follow with a press to the center. She strikes my ears, which I get back, gather her in, and push her away. Okay, thank you.